Exercise 6A, question number 6. The point P, Q and R have a coordinate 6, -11, K, -9 and 2K, -3. If the gradient of PQ is equal to the gradient of QR, find the K. Now, first of all, we must know that these 2 points are, the gradient of these 2 points are equal to each other. So, we will write it PQ is equals to QR. So now I have to write the formula of gradient of these 2 points. If I will write the slope formula of this PQ, so this would be y of Q minus y of P. In the denominator I have x of Q and x of P, xq minus xp equals to, here I have the slope of QR is yr minus yq and xr minus xq. Now I have to replace the alphabets, the coordinates with the given value. Yq, this is P, this is Q, this is R. This is y coordinate of point Q, so I will replace yq with the -9. Then I have yp, this is the P point, bracket of P, this is y coordinate, so this is minus minus plus 11. X q of x, we have the x of q, it is the q bracket, P Q R, this is q, this is for P, this is for Q and this is for R. So I have to take x coordinate of q, so this is the x coordinate of q is k, minus I have to take the x coordinate of P, this is the P bracket, we have the 6 here, then we have the R bracket which is here, and y coordinate of R is -3, so this is -3, minus of formula, then yq, this is the minus q, this is the y coordinate of q bracket, this is -9, it will be minus minus plus 9. In the denominator I have to take the coordinate of x of R bracket, this is the R bracket, and x coordinate of R bracket is 2q, I will write 2q minus of the formula, then I have to take the x coordinate of q bracket, this is the q bracket, and this is the x coordinate of q bracket is k. So now I have to do the solution. So as you can see here, I can do the solution, minus plus minus, 11 minus 9 gives you +2. In the denominator k and -6 cannot be solved with each other, so I will write it as it is. Then I have here minus plus minus, 9 minus 6 gives you 6, and in the denominator I have 2k minus k will gives you only simple 1k. Now I have to do the cross multiplication in this question. This multiply with this and this multiply with this, 2k multiply with this value, and when 6 multiply with this k, this will give you 6k, minus when 6 multiply by 6, this will gives you 36. Now transpose this 36 over on the left hand, 2k onto the right hand, so 36 becomes positive 6k, this is positive 2k, here it will becomes minus 2k. Now 36 is equals to 6 minus 2k gives you 4k, and when this force is transposed to with the 36, so it will be divide, 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, so k is equals to 9. This is the answer which is required in the question. Find the value of k, and we have find it. Thank you.